Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen essential, the electric stove. We'll be reviewing the model, so let's get started. First off, let's talk about the design. This sleek, all-black electric stove adds a modern touch to any kitchen. It's got 4 cooking zones, each with different sizes to accommodate various pot and pan dimensions. Now, let's turn it on. The touch controls are super responsive and easy to use. You can adjust the heat with a simple slide, and the digital display shows the exact temperature, which is a huge plus for precision cooking. One of the best features is the rapid heating. It takes just seconds to go from cold to hot, which is perfect for those busy mornings when you need to whip up breakfast fast. I've been using this stove for a couple of weeks now, and I must say, the even heat distribution is impressive. My pancakes cook perfectly every time, with no hot spots. Safety is also a key aspect. This stove comes with a child lock and an automatic shut-off feature if it detects a spill or if the cookware is removed. Cleaning is a breeze, too. The smooth glass surface wipes clean with just a damp cloth. No more scrubbing burnt on food. And for those of you concerned about energy consumption, this model is energy efficient, helping you save on your electricity bill. So, to wrap up, the electric stove is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a stylish, efficient, and easy-to-use cooking solution. It's perfect for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. If you enjoyed this review, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and cooking tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this stove or if there's another product you'd like me to review. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!